Doc, are you okay, laddie? Yeah, I'm okay. Just been worked off my wheels lately with all these extra passengers. It seems everyone wants to go to the beach before beach season is over.
Well, Doc, if you're too tired, I could take a train tonight.
Would you do that, Douglas? I wouldn't want to cost you any trouble.
No trouble at all. Donald takes the midnight goods tonight.
Okay. Thank you, Douglas.
You're welcome. Now go to the sheds and get some rest.
I will. Thank you, Douglas.
No problem, laddie. What a lovely night. Hello, Douglas. Oh, Lord sakes! Oh, look, what are you doing here?
Whoa, his boiler pressure's through the roof! I don't get it, I'm not seeing what he's seeing.
Oh, what are you doing here? I'm here to talk to you. How are you even here? Because I have unfinished business. So, while I am here, I wanted to talk to you. What? Why? Because I wanted to talk to you on how you just left us, your brothers. Wait. We didn't leave you. We told you could get out if you could. You know what? I'm not having this conversation anymore. Hey, you can't do that. Hey, stop that. Hey, I can see a guard. Oh, hello, guard. Hello, Dougie. How's your run? Awful. Oh, why's that? I sold 812. Oh, that guy.
What do you mean? I know you guys are 812s, but...
No, he's the first of our class from our old railway.
How? Did Subhat buy him?
No, he's a ghost.
Good try, Douglas. Halloween is 2 months away.
Henry, this isn't a trick.
Good try. Now, I gotta get some sleep. I pull a kipper tonight. Good night.
Oh.
Oh, what? Oh.
Yeah, I'm bored. Alright, come back here.
Oh, keep away!
Henry, stop! You're speeding!
Oh, help me, please! Help!
Good morning, Henry.
Douglas, I'm sorry for not believing you.
What?
I saw your ghost last night.
How?
He chased me down the main line last night when I was pulling the kipper like a maniac.
Oh, well, thank you, Henry. I got to go. I'm sorry that he chased you.
It's okay, as long as it doesn't happen again.
Now, why did 812 go after Henry? He's mad at Donny and me, not Henry. I better talk to Donny about this when I get to Cloven's Gate.
Hey, Dougie. Hey, Donny. Did you hear about 812 and Henry? No. He chased Henry down with the kipper last night. Why? I thought he was only mad at us. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe this was all a one-time thing. Yeah, I sure hope so. With any luck, he'll be gone by tomorrow.
Alright, I'm sick of this guy. I need a tool. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I think we got to go see 828. I think you're right.
Okay, I'll ask Sir Topham Hatt when I see him.
Great.
Oh, Seal! Seal! Yes, Douglas, what is it? Well, Seal, I know me and Donnie don't usually do this, but we need some time off. You what? I know it may seem a little silly, but... No, it's not silly. It's just... You two have never, in the 13 years of me owning you, you've never asked for a day off. But why now? Because, Seal, long story, but we need to go to Scotland to see 828. Or brother. Oh, really? Well, then sure. Take as much time as you need. Okay, thank you, Seal. Me and Donnie are gonna leave first thing in the morning. Okay, great. Thank you again, Seal. No problem, Douglas. Hey, Donnie! Guess what? What is it, Dougie?
We're going to Scotland.